Hi, thanks for having me here. My name is Dylan Livingston. I'm the facilities manager for Brooks Running here in Seattle. I was kind of waffling around on what I was going to talk about, and I realized I'm not really an expert on anything, so I'll just talk about this thing that I find interesting, which is Brooks' approach to sustainability next. I'm just going to start off with a quote from our CEO, Jim. It says, "We recognize our responsibility to people and the planet. More than 150 people run outside, which is why we operate with the conviction that everyone who wants to run should feel welcome, and everyone who runs should have a place to do it." Our sustainability approach is twofold here. It focuses on people and planet under DEI, community impact, responsible sourcing, climate action, and sustainable consumption. So the DEI portion of it here, we focus on three main objectives. We want to promote a diverse, equitable, and inclusive workspace. We want to ensure representation of everybody who runs, and we want to foster diversity and inclusion in the run community. If you look over to the right, the slides are going to show kind of some of the successful targets we've seen in the year 22 since we adopted this in 21. And the next one here is community impact. We have three main program areas that we focus on. These are youth running. So we aim to remove obstacles to participation. We want to act as a champion and advocate. And we want to empower young people to add running to their life in a personal and meaningful way. We focus on our community partnerships through diverse community partners, and we focus on run grants. Just wait for my next slide here. Responsible sourcing, we have four main objectives. Those are to trace our supply chain by using TrustTrace to expand visibility into our manufacturing supply chain. Respect human rights by partnering with factories that share our same values. We want to promote the employee's voice through a series of different sorry, I can't think of the word. They go through and they survey employees and we make sure that everybody's comfortable. And then the last one there was reducing environmental impact. Now we're on to planet. So climate action has two main objectives here. Number one is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions in line with climate science by following our climate roadmap, which includes our product, manufacturing, product transportation, and facilities portions. And we want to reach net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2040. Which is 10 years ahead of the Paris Agreement. The next one here is sustainable consumption. So the goal is to convert to recycled and bio-based materials for all our products, eliminate manufacturing footwear material waste sent to the landfill or incineration. 3 is transition to circular product. That's versus linear product, which essentially means that we try to recycle our product at the end of its life. 4, take responsibility for product at the end of its life. In the short term, that means we want to downcycle into relevant applications that we can then hopefully turn into a long-term goal of recycling and using those as raw materials for our new products. Thanks.